Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny and this is Project Fern. We're on a road trip today, and as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're going looking at a C3 Pluriel, a Citroen C3 Pluriel. These were made from I think about 2002, 2003 to about 2010. They were known for having leaky roofs in the earlier ones. I'm not sure if that carried across into the later ones. This is a later one with the darker lights. I found this car on Facebook for £500. He says everything works but it does need a clutch. I've been messaging the guy back and forth and he's been a little bit vague with his answers, saying a few things don't work, not sure if it has two keys. I've messaged a lot of people trying to get one of these C3 Pluriels on the channel, and to be honest with you, most of them are scammers. Facebook is riddled with it, so really be careful when you're looking for a used car on Facebook. I'm fully prepared today. We have tick lists, we've got code readers, we've got booster packs, so I'm going to be going over this car like there's no tomorrow. And I know it's only a £500 car, but I just want to make sure it is what he says it is, and if it is, we'll get it bought and we'll get it brought back. It's going to be a bit of a journey today. We're going to be driving my car down there to look at it, and then if I buy it, I'll drive this car back. Drive the new car back and then get a taxi back from Yorkshire to Leeds. It's about an hour. I just want to get it all done in a day, and then we can crack on and get another car on the channel and start fixing that up as well. The money has been handed over. I managed to get it for £400. All the checks are complete. A few little issues with it, but the main goal now is just to get this back up to Yorkshire in one piece. I've just insured it, so let the 50-mile journey commence. So we're on our way back now. I've done about 10 miles in the car, I've got about 40 to go. I have to be really careful with the clutch because it's just slipping so bad, but I am managing to drive it alright. The aircon works a treat. The roof obviously doesn't go fully back, which is a shame, but it's all for good videos really. Going to be fixing it up, so I'm going to check back in with you once I've put some fuel in this car and check that the antifreeze is still alright and stuff. So wish me luck. We've made it back in one piece. I do not know how that car made it back with that clutch. The suspension's knocking like mad. There's something seriously wrong with the front suspension. But it started raining in true British fashion. My first convertible that I've bought, or soft top, whatever you want to call it, and it starts raining. So I'm going to go back to Lee now and pick my car up. The Uber's on its way, so hopefully the weather's nice when I get back and I can show you around the new car. It's 5:15 at night and I've just got back now with the Peugeot partner. That's been like 8 hours. I think I set off about 9 o'clock this morning. I don't know where the time has gone. We've had an hour and a half each way. We've had traffic jams, we've had accidents, we've had ambulances landing in Aldi car park, but it's still throwing it down, which is a shame, but I'm still going to try and show you this car. We've got a quick break in the weather here, so I can give you a quick look at this car. We've got issues with lights. We've got a major issue with the roof. It only comes down to here. This bit doesn't open and let you complete taking the roof off. If you don't know, these bars come off as well. Looking at both front wheels, we've got major heat damage there. Probably needs discs and pads. Front headlamps, they need polishing up. What do you think, Papa? Who is it? The roof's in really good condition. I don't know how this car got me home. I'm going to have to wait for another day when it's a bit nicer to give you a full walk around and show you what I've bought. Let's have a quick look inside. The car's done 53,730 miles and I think it's really clean. The whole car is, to be honest with you. And I got it for £400 like I've already said. It's going to be interesting to see how we get this roof working. Apparently there's loads of information online about these, and then same with parts. They can be hit and miss. Some people have got these rear lights listed for £300 each, and then I've seen them for like 50, but hopefully I might be able to take them apart and sort them. Sorry if it's a bit windy on the microphone, but yeah, I'll have a proper look around this car with you guys when the weather gets a little bit better. So I hope you've enjoyed this random video today of picking up the new project car. Whether you like it or not, it's going to be on the channel. Anyone who says they don't like this car are lying, they're just jealous because they wish they had one. But it's going to be fun getting it back on the road. It has got a bit of MOT on it. That runs out in October, but that's definitely not going to go through its MOT with how that suspension sounds on the front. So we're going to be cracking on with that soon. So stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.